Welcome to London Kids Academy.
A is for ant, tiny and quick. B is for bed, where we nap and sit. C is for cup, we drink with care. D is for dog with fluffy hair. E is for egg, round and white. F is for fan that spins just right. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hand and two small feet. I is for ink, black and neat. J is for jam, so sticky and sweet. K is for key that opens the door. L is for leaf that falls to the floor. M is for milk, creamy and cold. N is for net that we gently hold. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pen that writes on the ground. Q is for quilt, soft and warm. R is for ring, round like a charm. S is for sock we wear on our toes. T is for tap where water flows. U is for up, we jump so high. V is for van that passes by. W is for wall, strong and wide. X is for box with toys inside. Y is for yarn, twisty and long. Z is for zip, pull it strong. Let's clap and cheer, we've learned A to Z. Smart little stars just like me. I is for ink, black and neat. J is for jam, so sticky and sweet. K is for key that opens the door. L is for leaf that falls to the floor. Let's clap and cheer. We've learned A to Z. Smart little stars just like me.